Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I will be showing you how you can use corn flour to make akamu. So this is very simple and it is very easy. So many people, they don't know that they can also use corn flour to make akamu. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve akamu with corn flour. So please do continue watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Also share this video with friends and family and loved ones. Let's get into it. So I have my corn flour here, which I'm gonna use, and I have my milk, rainbow milk. You can use any liquid milk you have, and I have my brown sugar. I'm gonna use brown sugar. So I need my bowl to mix the akamu together. So I will just add 3 spoons of corn flour. And I have my clean water here, cold water. So I'm gonna mix with the corn flour. You check the quantity of the water you're putting so that it won't be too watery. So I'm gonna mix it together. So I'm gonna add another water. So you mix it very well, very well. See the consistency? You mix it to avoid lump in your akamu. So immediately the water is boiling, I just put it and stir it together with the hot water, as you can see. So you mix it very well so that you won't have lump. As you can see, there is no difference with the normal ogi they use in Nigeria. So this one is very easy to make, and you can use corn flour, so there is no difference. The taste is the same. So as you can see, the ogi is ready. Very simple and easy to make. So some people, they don't really know they can use corn flour to make ogi. Even people who are not in Nigeria, they find it difficult to eat ogi because they don't have it. So you can use corn flour, just make your ogi and you're good to go. So now I'm gonna put my sugar. So I'll add 2 spoons of sugar. So now mix it together. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, it all depends on you. So I'm gonna add my milk, rainbow milk. So I'm just gonna add it together. And your ogi is ready to eat. It's very simple and easy to make. So if you've not tried this way, please do try it. It's very tasty and it's the same taste with the one in Nigeria, so there is no different from it. So this is very perfect ogi. So this is how to make ogi using corn flour. It is very easy and simple to make, so you can actually make yours. What are you waiting for? Don't wait until you get to Nigeria before you can eat akamu. So this is the best akamu also, so you can try it and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this akamu. Thank you for taking your time to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of video to upload on this channel which you will like and benefit from it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Bye.